Hey everyone, welcome to the Confident Dancers channel, and if you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. In this video, we're gonna do a fun line dance. It's called Achy, Breaky, Heart, and the original choreography is done by Melanie Greenwood. She is the original choreographer for the line dance Achy, Breaky, Heart, which is Billy Ray Cyrus's track from the 90s. In its entire sequence, this line dance is 4 8 counts long, and we mainly focus on the legs. This video is mirrored so you can watch and follow exactly what I'm doing. Before we begin, if you're someone who wants to learn hip-hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, let this be your year to learn how to dance. And the link to work with us is in the description box below. All right, let's get started. And this line dance mainly focuses on the legs, and then at the very end, we're gonna practice doing it in its entire sequence, facing all directions. Starting from the top, the first 8 count is doing a grapevine. So starting with our right leg, you're gonna go out 1, step behind 2, step out 3, and then you're just gonna hold 4. So when you step out 3, your weight is on your right leg. Let's do that 2 more times. 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, hold. 1 more time. 6, 7, 8, don't tell my heart, hold. Okay, after this, you're gonna shift your hip side to side 3 times. 5, 6, 7, and then hold 8. Okay, so 1 more time. After your final step, hold, you're gonna shift your hip left, then shift your hip right, and then shift your hip left, and then hold on that last count. Okay, so let's put that together slow from the very top 2 times. 6, 7 with counts. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, shift 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1 more time like that. 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, hold, then hips to the left, hips to the right, hips to the left, then hold. Okay, let's try it 1 time, but with lyrics. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slow. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. All right, so let's go into the second 8 count. You're gonna tap your right foot to the floor 4 times, and then there's pivots going on. We'll get to that in a second, but let me show you where you're tapping in terms of your foot, okay? You're going back, tapping 1, tap 2, keep tapping on the same side 3, and then step back on 4, tap back. Okay, so without the pivots, you're going back, side, side, back. All right, now let's add the pivots. Okay, so you're staying forward, tapping 1, staying forward, tapping 2. Now you do a quarter turn, 3, and then do a half turn to face the right to step back 4. So now this time your left foot ends up being in front, okay? So let's do that 2 times with the pivots with counts. 6, slow, right foot is going 1, 2, quarter turn, 3, half turn, 4. Okay, so you're doing the quarter turn on 3, half turn on 4. 1 more time, slow like that. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, quarter turn, half turn. All right, so now let's put it together from the top, and then we'll finish off that second 8 count from the grapevine. 6, slow, here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold, shift the hip. 6, 7, here we go. We're going tap 1, tap 2, quarter turn, half turn. Yeah? Okay, 1 more time, and let's go with lyrics. 5, 6, 7, 8, don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. They just don't seem to under. Okay, now we're going back. Okay, continuing on, you're stepping back 5, step back with your left 6, then you're gonna bring your left foot up 7, and then step out on 8. So that last part going again, our left foot is in front this time. Now you step back with your left 5, step back 6, bring that left foot up 7, and then swing it down to tap on 8, okay? So let's put it together from the very top 2 times, okay? We're doing accumulation style. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Hips 5, 6, 7 with the taps. 1, 2, 3, step back 4, then 5, 6, scuff it up, step out. Okay, with lyrics 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. They just don't seem to understand. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the third 8 count, you're gonna step back with your right. You're going right, step back with your left, step back your right, and then stomp the foot with your left. Okay, so you're just doing 3 steps, and then on the 4th step, you stomp the floor. So one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the same foot that you stomp with, you're gonna step out, and your hip is gonna go left, right, left. So you're going left, right, left. Okay, so again, after you stomp the foot, the same foot that stomps, you then go step out to go left, right, left. All right, so let's put that together from taking it back with the right foot and then the hip shifting. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, right foot goes 1, 2, 3, stomp, and hip, hip, hip. All right, let's put it together only 2 times, once with counts and the second time with lyrics. From the very beginning. 5, 6, grapevine, here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold, hips 5, 6, 7, hold, step back 1, 2, pivot, pivot, take it back, 6, scuff it up, here we go, take it back, 1, 2, 3, stomp, and hips, hips, hips. That was counts and cues. Okay, so now let's try it with the lyrics one time, and then we'll finish it off. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't seem to understand. 6, 7, 8. And if you tell my heart, that achy, breaky heart. So the last 8 count, you're gonna do a bunch of pivots and grapevine, okay? So you're gonna start with your right foot. So all my weight's on my left when I end, right? So on the last 8 count, you're gonna step with your right and then stomp left and then pivot, step with your left, stomp right, but right next to it. So you don't have to step front. So the first time you step front, the second time you step next to it. So you're doing a half turn, okay? So last time, 6, 7, slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you're gonna do a grapevine. So I'm facing my left side or stage left, however you wanna see it. So I'm not facing the front anymore, I'm facing the left. And I'm gonna end with the grapevine, right, left, right, step. The only time you add hands is on this very last 8. Okay, so that's the only cue for hands. So after you do 2 pivots, you're gonna do a grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end, and then you would start it over again. Okay, so let's do that last part with the step stomp, stamp, stomp. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, stomp left, left, stomp right, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, clap. All right, so now let's put it together from the very beginning with counts, maybe some cues. All right, and then the second time we'll do it with lyrics. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold, and 5, 6, 7. Take it back. 1, 2, pivot, pivot, take it back. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, stomp, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, stomp, 3, stomp, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay, so now let's try it with lyrics. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. He just don't seem to understand. 6, 7. And if you tell my heart, that achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill his man. 6, 7, 8. Whoa, Billy Ray Cyrus, what's going on? Okay, for this final run, we're gonna just do it 2 times so you can kind of train what the pivot shift looks like when you're facing a different direction. Okay, so from the beginning, and we'll just do counts. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold, and 5, 6, 7. Take it back with the foot. 2, pivot, take it back. 5, 6, up, and here we go. Back 1, 2, stomp the foot, and 4, hips, 6, 7, 1, stomp, 3, stomp, grapevine, 5, 6 with the clap. Here we go. Grapevine, 1, 2, 3, hold, hips, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, pivot, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, stomp, 5, 6, 7, pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're facing the back to end. All right, there you have it. Melanie Greenwood did a great job with this original choreography, and so did you. Hope you had fun with this. I love that this track plays in a lot of social dance settings, so the next time you're at a wedding or a public dance space and when you hear this song, you'll be ready. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to take your dance to the next level, the link to work with us is in the description box below. We drop videos just like this every Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share to those who will love this too. All right, see you next Tuesday.